put the brake down like this, and it won't run away from you when you go to wind it up. You see the motor's a little bit weak. This is an extremely old piece, but it does get going. I'm sure the spring could be somehow tightened or somehow adjusted, you know, in order to get a little stronger than that. But for technicality's sake, it is working. Unfortunately, I don't have a D battery available to test the siren and the light. The battery compartments there doesn't look to be, you know, too badly corroded. You know, as far as from battery acid anyway, it's definitely got a little patina on there from you know, from age, but it's there. The mechanism for that is right there, and that should then turn on the headlights there. Obviously only one hooked up right now, but overall, I mean, this is a fine example of a pretty rare piece, and you know, in really good shape. Most of your graphics are still there, you know. You'd be hard pressed to find one much nicer.